This is above Whitefish Point, and it's about 1 o'clock in the morning, and this is hovering probably 100 feet above Whitefish Point, and then the second one is probably 100 feet above it. Oh, and then the bottom one just went out, and I swear to God, it came towards me and looked like, yeah, it's moving towards us. Like real fast moving towards us. And there's no sound. You can't hear anything. And the light goes out once in a while and comes closer. It's coming like real fast, getting closer to us. And now it's stopped. It's hovering halfway between us and the point. This is the craziest thing I've ever seen in my life. Wow, it's really hard to keep it in frame here. It's not moving. That's me with the camera. I wish you could see it a little better. To me, it looks triangle shaped.
Did you see that? There was two of them.
Yeah.
And then it went back.
And then if the bottom one faded out, then that was the one that was lit up the longest. And now the top one's lit up.
I'm going to shut your door. You got your keys, right?
Yeah.
Oh, no. Is it gone?
No, it's still there. I'm videotaping it.
That's strange. Did you see how that second one just popped up?
Yeah, I got that on video. This thing is crazy. And you can see over to the right here, there's a ship.
Yeah.
Let me see if I can get the ship. You can see there's a ship out there, and that's moving towards it.
I was going to say, is it?
It's moving towards it, so let me see if I can get it back in frame again. Oh, holy crap. You should see what the video just did.
What?
It was crazy. When I moved away and moved towards it, it got really big. Look, see, like that. Look at that. Is crazy. It's not doing that in real life. That is the freakiest thing I've ever seen in my life.
Oh my God.
That is crazy.
So that ship is literally going that way.
Yeah, that ship's going right towards it.
Not that your vehicle's going to protect us, but
At least you know it's right there. Whoa. Trying to hold as still as I can.
it's moving. The thing is, it's just bobbing and hovering.
Yeah. It's like right out above the end of the point.
Then it goes up.
Whoa.
Then it goes down. Now it's going up.
Yeah, but you should see what it's doing on the video. It's like it's getting big and then small and disappearing. And
It is. It's orbing like, you know how they say they circle?
but watch. Watch. If I move away and then move back to it, watch. See? Look at, now there's two. Now there's two again.
Oh my God.
I move and move back and now there's two. This is the craziest thing I've ever seen.
That's so freaking weird.
Now I'm going to try to turn it sideways so you can see
Now the ship's even getting
the ship.
really getting close now.
You'll see the ship right here to the right. There's a ship right out there at the end. And then there's these two, whatever they are. I'm not moving the camera at all, but they seem to be moving around the screen quite a bit.
Okay, the one's going
Oh,
away.
the one faded out. Holy moly.
I'm kind of wondering what's going to happen when that ship gets close.
I don't know. Man, I can't hold my...
It's moving again.
I can't hold... Oh, it is. I lost it on the video. Oh, there we go.
Pretty soon you're going to get the camera, or you're going to get that and the ship in one stream.
It's moving around.
It
Oh,
just
it's
looks
moving.
like it's bobbing.
It's moving towards the ship, it looks like.
Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Is it going out?
Look at that. I'm not moving the camera at all. And it's like, look how it's screwing with my camera. See how it's getting all big and small and big and small?
It's like it's...
Look at, watch.
Yeah, I do. I see that. It's almost like it's circling. You know how they say the orb when the light goes around and around? Uh-oh. Is it going away?
Oh,
Oh, you gotta tape this. It's gonna be school.
God damn, it's weird. Trying to stay right on it. Oh, you can see the ship coming into focus. I'll try to focus on the ship. Yeah, what's it gonna do when that ship gets close? That ship's getting pretty darn close. What are these guys on the ship thinking?
Maybe that's what they're going for.
Because look, it's almost touching the damn. Oh, Jesus. It's got to be right above the ship,
I think it's still
like
behind
hovering
it.
above the deck. Yeah, but they have to be able. That's got to be
They
so
gotta
bright on
see
that
it.
ship.
They gotta see that.
Yeah, somebody's got to be able to see that on that ship. That is the craziest thing ever. It's just hovering right there. It's not moving. I don't know. No, it's just staying in one spot. How strange is that?
What did it just do? Well, I was gonna come out at night by myself, but I don't think I will. I'll be happy sitting in my little tent in my little campground.
Maybe it's just a flare. I don't know.
No, flare sits like that, and then it's
Yeah.
too.
Yeah, well, there was 3 when I first looked at it.
Wait, oh, wait.
Yeah, and it pulses, like it gets brighter and then dimmer, and now it's getting dimmer and dimmer. Almost gone. Now there's 2.
Two.
Yeah, see, now the bottom one's
How
gone.
that does? The top one comes in, and the bottom one disappears.
Yeah,
That's how
it's
it.
done that a couple times
And the little
now.
one comes up.
Holy crap.
That's really high.
Yeah,
I don't think you could get that high, could you? What would be that high in the sky that could hover?
I don't know. My hands are starting to freeze though. Alright, we're going to stop videotaping.